Now suppose you wanted to go from your particular report and create a new report, but you don't want to have to go through all the get data again to go to your report. So it may be that it's a simple get data like Excel, in which case it wouldn't really be a problem, but it might be one of the more complicated ones, like for instance SQL Server, and you can't quite remember what server you're connecting to. So what you can do is you can export the data source settings. So this won't actually export the data source itself, it will just export a pointer to it, a connection. And we do this by using what's called a PDIS. This is a Power BI desktop source. So I'm going to export the source here, and I'm going to go to File, Options and Settings, and Data Source Settings. So these are the data sources in my current file, and I'm now going to export my Power BI desktop source. So let's go to a folder I want it saving into, and click Save. So let's have a look and see what is actually exported. So what we've got is a PDIS file, which you can open in Notepad, and you can see it's a simple JSON file. So we've got what version it is, here is your connector, so there is my path, what sort of protocol it is. It's nothing more than that. So here are some other examples, so Azure, a folder, SQL Server. It's really the basic rudiments of it. So how do I create a new Power BI desktop file with that setting, that connection? Well, I don't go to Get Data. If I go to Get Data and click on More and have a look for PDIS, you're going to be disappointed. So let's close down Power BI Desktop, and I'll go to my folder and I'll just double click on it. So Power BI opens and it's making a connection to the file, and now it's saying, okay, where do you want to start? I've got the file, you tell me the tables. So PDIS, Power BI Desktop sources, they can be used to save the location, the pointer of your data, and for use in other files. And to do that, you go to Options and Settings and Data Source Settings. And you can see you can have a look for the data sources in the current file or more global permissions.